Sophie from Britsint, and today I'm going to be teaching you 3 words that will make your English sound more natural and help you sound more fluent when you're in a conversation. The first word is apparently. We use this when we believe something to be true, or maybe we've heard it from someone else. For example, apparently Josh has broken up with Stacey. Now, I'm not 100% sure this is true, but maybe I've been told it by someone else, or I've read it online. The second word is reckon. This is very similar to think. It's much more casual and a different way to say in my opinion. So for example, I reckon that the prices in London are really expensive. The third word is like. There are many different ways to use like in casual conversation. But one way is to substitute it for said in direct speech. So, instead of Josh said, I broke up with Stacey, Josh was like, I broke up with Stacey. So let's put these 3 words together. Apparently, Josh broke up with Stacey. I reckon it's a huge mistake. When I found out, I was like, God. So thanks for watching. Try using these phrases in your everyday conversation, and remember to like and subscribe to Britsint. Thank you! Or it's our opinion. No, that's not right. So we've heard it from someone else, or that we believe it to